Video is showing you how to watch and earn the videos that will be given to you to watch daily. So this video is showing how you can get access to the section of the website where you will access the videos and watch them daily. So from your dashboard section, you'll see this sliding menu at the top of the screen under the Hello Solar Jaws 1 section. You see those menus sliding, moving by. So you wait until you see N. So the moment you see N, you click on it and you allow it to load. So once the N is loaded, it's going to bring you to the section where you will see watch videos, right? And that is the button right there with the purple color, watch videos. So if you click on watch videos is going to show you available videos you can watch to earn, right? So if this is your first time, if it's your first time after registration, you are going to see a lot of videos to watch. So you want to make sure that you watched all of it. And while watching the videos, sometimes it may not load fast, it may really take a long time to load. Don't worry, that is just on your network. Maybe your network is bad or poor at that moment, so you have to wait and be patient and allow it to load and play by itself. Don't try to forward it, don't try to be in a hurry, right? If you don't like the sound, you can off the mic or you reduce the volume, but allow the videos to play naturally. Alright, so I'm just going to demonstrate with one video right now so that you see how it works. But before I demonstrate, first of all, let's see what you have on the balance. Before this video, I've watched one video. So right now you are seeing 2220. You are seeing 2220 on the balance, and you are seeing one video. So that is the total money earned for one video. So right now you are seeing 2220. You are seeing 2220 on the balance, and you are seeing one video. So that is the total money earned for one video. So now let's watch another video and see how that is going to be. So I'm watching this first video on the list. Click watch, that yellow button, and it's going to load up. So like I said, sometimes
Simrose Pharmacy
a long time to load up.
Set up ProKey, an all-in-one
If you don't like the sound,
business management app. Now the
options, then you can off the mic, you can off the speaker from there if the sound is disturbing to you. You can off the speaker and allow the video to play. Don't fast forward the video, just let it play, right? Let it load by itself and play naturally. Alright, it's taking time because the network is poor. It may not be like that on your phone. Your network may be fast, or it may also be like this, but just know that you need to allow it to play naturally. Okay, so once you are done watching the video, it may redirect like this. Allow it to redirect. Then once the redirection is done, click a step back. You click that back arrow to return you back to the initial screen, and once you are there, you see success, user rewarded successfully, refresh page. So you click OK and click cancel. You are done with that video. And now if you want to see all the videos you've watched, if you see that section that says watched, if you click on it, it's going to show you all the videos you've watched. Right now it's showing one because we've not refreshed the screen. It has not recorded that one we just watched, right? So let's click cancel, right? So we've watched a video, but then it's still showing the initial balance we saw before we watched the video, which was one video for 2,200 220 naira. So it's supposed to have added the last video we watched, but why is it not adding it? Now this is what you need to do. You need to refresh your browser, and to do that, place your finger on your screen and drag it down. Place your finger on your screen, hold it down and drag it down. Do it until you get it right. You can see it's showing error for me, but just keep doing it until you get it right. So it has reloaded. Now you're going to see the new balance. It's showing 4,440 naira. 4,440 naira. So if you want to go back to the video section again, click N. From those sliding menu, click N. Now you can see it's showing 4,420 naira and it's showing 2 videos. So that means it has calculated your video for you. Then if you want to watch more, or you want to check if there are other available videos, just click on that video section and then you see more videos to watch. That is if you have videos. So if, considering that this is the first time as a new user, you are going to have many videos to watch. You can see them. But if you are coming back on the website maybe for the second time, or you're coming other days, you may not see more than 3 videos for a day, or 4 at times, or 2. So once you've watched, you check in the morning and you check at night. So those are the times the video will probably just drop for you to watch. And then once you are done watching, click cancel and refresh your page. Refresh, and your balance will be added to you. So that is basically it about watching videos and earning. Thank you.